two big 12-inch polar fans pull air through the bank and then exhaust it up out of the back of the amps.
Longer than I normally would, just because I don't want to get any comments on here. EXO taps all the time now. What but you said it was 163.
So right there, that was 63.
163 decibels. That'll make anyone want to say no more. Rolling the window up on me and everything. Thanks, man. The Black Nasty is awesome. And remember, if you love car audio and extreme bass, Showtime Electronics is the place to be. We got amps, subs, speakers, and more. And guess what? If you buy from me, you get to help support the channel in the meantime, so it's a win-win, right? Thanks for supporting the channel, guys. We got a whole lot to choose from. Oh boy, looks like our buddy Mike's amplifier didn't want any more of that. I'm not really surprised though. I hear the guy's wired down to a 1/4 ohm. Whew. And when you're playing music jumping all over the place, you're bound to at least get some sort of dynamic punch in the face as far as protection goes. When you're playing test tones, it's a little more predictable as far as your rise goes, so you can sometimes avoid that, but man, that amp went into protect real quick. But thanks for giving it to me, man, straight. It was a nice little demo. So let's keep the ball rolling today with Drew Mercer. It's at the same show over at the XS Power Show, so make sure you guys get there next year, or this year. Oh my gosh, it's 2022. You can come down this year, so let's check out Drew Mercer's Digital Designs wall. Nice little wedge setup, real close to your face, right at the B pillar. And yeah, it sounded real good, but I can't tell if my camera was being weird or if it's just me. Let me know if you think the bass sounds weird. It's not the kid's fault, believe me, it sounds great. But something was going on, something, I don't know. But anyways, let's go ahead and check out his woofers going crazy. Thanks for watching the bass videos, everybody.
That sub and 1 amp, and it's not sealed off from the rear.
Man, I don't know about you guys, but something makes me just grin ear to ear when I see someone going for gold regardless of what's going on around him. Like this guy, he's got a blown sub, a blown amp, he's not even sealed off from the rear, and most people would be using that as, oh, excuses. But here he is, going full tilt, full smiles, right here on video. That is worth bonus points. I don't care what you got, it's enjoying what you got when you got it. So awesome, Drew, and I will say, I saw that little tattoo on your forearm. That is a great little sentiment to go forward in life with. So thanks for the demo, my buddy Drew, David Moore, Mike, and of course Andrew McAuliffe with the Black Nasty starting off this video strong. We'll come back at you with more bass demos and some more project videos in the garage. It has been subdubulous, and as I mentioned in this video, I'm just now coming over a little bit of the sickness, so I'm getting my strength back, getting my motivation, and I'm feeling good. So thanks for watching today's video. Slap a good old thumbs up for EXO. Go check out Showtime. Plug in the digits with EXO. Save some cash. You know what to do, guys. Thanks for being here. I'll talk to you in the next one. It's Showtime now.